everyone, it is Cole over here at Cuda's Diecast Customs. Before we get into today's video, I wanted to inform everybody that the events that are going on in this video already are happening. Are happening, sorry. But this video that we are watching today is from this past summer. And since this last summer was kind of crazy and we really didn't have time to post much, I wanted to post it now so you guys can still enjoy. So guys, let's jump into today's video and I hope you guys enjoy. Bye guys.
Hello guys and welcome back to the fish tank. I am Cole and today we are doing something a bit different. So today we are working on this Nissan or Datsun Z, and we are doing this for my brother Zach, who is going to be a freshman in college this year, and I thought I would do the honors and build him something pretty cool to take to school. So I thought this would be the perfect vehicle to use in this project. So what we're going to do today is take this car apart and completely change it. And I mean completely change it. So guys, this is what we started with. In a moment here, we're going to show what we finished with. I hope you guys enjoy the final results. Let's go over there. Alright guys, so this is our final results for the special college build for my brother. So what we did here is a lot actually. So what we put on there is new wheels. We got rid of those spoked wheels that it originally came with. And we put these fatty, I'd call them steely rims on the back and the front with two different colors just to give it that drift look. But after looking at the car, it's more of a hot rod look that I do like. Obviously, we changed the color to a dark purple. If this is not clear, that's the color of his school is a purple, so that is very, very cool. We chopped the roof and made it like a Supra or just like a Trans Am because I thought, I don't know why, but I thought this car would look so much better with a chopped roof like this. I also, if you see there, we put new exhaust on the back of the car. I thought it needed some more spread out exhaust to make it more, I don't know, feng shui might be the word. What else did we do? We also did all the details, the bumpers, taillights, and then when the car is coming around here, if you look closely, we also did the grille in a flat black paint, which is very, very cool. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's another short one, but we are building here at the fish tank, and I hope you guys enjoyed this quick and fun video. If you guys have any other questions or concerns for me, please let me know down in the comments. And guys, thank you for stopping by the fish tank. The plan is to try to have more videos out here soon. So we'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.